welcome back. So today I have a bit of a weird video because just by chance I stumbled upon the famous see-through toilets here in Shibuya. So I was gonna come here and check them out before, but I didn't know exactly where they were. So if you want to see them, they're over here, just near Yoyogi Park and a little walk from Shibuya. So if you want to get to see them, that's where you find them. So would I pee in there? I don't know. I think it's a bit weird and it would definitely freak me out because how do you know people cannot see inside when you're in there? So I want to check it out for myself and just have a little look because maybe this is not as bad as we're thinking. So let's go and check out the see-through toilets here in Shibuya. And they're certainly beautiful from the outside. I mean, look at them. The design is just stunning, and with their colorful exterior and lit up interior, they're just beautiful, especially at nighttime. So if you do get a chance, I would recommend to visit these after dark. And just looking in from the outside, you can already see these are spotless clean. And I mean, what else do we expect from Japan, right? So let's enter and see what it looks like inside. And no surprise here, there is the robot toilet with their inbuilt washlet and bidet, and everything is just amazingly clean. But sure, we didn't just come here to check out how clean these toilets are. So let's see. So I'm inside the toilets now. It's so weird. So you can see now, I locked it. So it's not see-through anymore. So it's kind of cool. So let me unlock it and show you what happens when you unlock it here. 1, 2, 3. So it's crazy. So now you can see everything around it. It's really weird. It's actually a little bit creepy. But I thought when it's unlocked, it's also see-through from the inside. But actually, when you lock it, it's see-through from no side. It becomes like milky, so nobody can see inside. So it's actually not as scary to use as I thought at the beginning. So still a bit weird. So let me lock it again. So we see. Oh, that's it. Weird. But certainly funny to explore. So if you come to Shibuya, check out this crazy toilet because why not, right? And with that, I hope you enjoyed this very fast and quick video as I stumbled upon these famous toilets here in Shibuya. It's really a bit random, but thanks for watching. And then if you want to see more like this, then please subscribe and like it. Let me know, would you come to this crazy toilet? I mean, it's pretty, as you can see. There's everything you need. Would you come? That's the big question, right? So let me know in the comments below. And then I see you soon in my next video. So bye bye from the toilets in Shibuya. So bye bye.